Welcome. It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, well, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
Bridegroom cheating on him, but bride waited for wedding day for revenge. For many brides-to-be, the night before their wedding is one dominated by excitement, nerves, and anticipation of seeing their groom at the end of the aisle. This was also the case of Casey, until a shocking stream of illicit text derailed the wedding and turned her world upside down. Hope you're ready for some Monday drama, because last week a woman named Casey relieved her wedding day nightmare in a post on Whim, and it is a trip. In the story, Casey details how an anonymous text she received on the eve of her wedding day led her to confront her cheating fiancé, Alex, at the altar. While lounging around with her bridesmaids on the night before her wedding, the bride received a series of screenshots and selfies from an unknown number with an accompanying text, "I wouldn't marry him. Will you?" A heartbroken bride-to-be in Australia got revenge on her love rat partner at the altar. As she prepared for her wedding the next morning, Casey recalls her phone suddenly lighting up with a stream of messages. These weren't the usual good luck or congratulations texts though. The message displayed countless screenshots of exchanges between Casey's groom-to-be and an unknown woman. The message asked her, "I wouldn't marry him. Will you?" In a personal essay penned for the Whim, Casey described her shock, disgust, and heartbreak at seeing the conversations that had been going on behind her back. She wrote, "She was the opposite of me. I'm blonde and fair, and this unknown woman had dark hair and olive skin. The texts were dated from months to only days before. My brain simply could not compute what the fuck was going on. There was no questioning the legitimacy of these messages. I just knew." The texts were along the lines of, "This weekend, you and I, it is on. Hot stuff. Bring your A game. Your body is fucking incredible. And shit, do you know how to use it? I wish my GF had half the skills you do. I miss you so much. I can't stop thinking about L, S, F, U. I've never had this kind of connection before." Casey said that every word was like a dagger in my heart. However, with mere hours till her dream wedding, she couldn't bring herself to cancel without an explanation. She told her bridesmaids who spent the night with her that she would go ahead with the big day and out her fiancé Alex for the cheating liar he was. "I walked down the aisle with leaden feet, my dream dress now just a costume. As he saw my face, he knew he was not an ecstatic woman on her big day, but he had no idea what was coming. I arrived at the front of the room, took a big breath, and I faced our friends and our parents, and I told them the truth about Alex. There will be no wedding today," Casey announced to the crowd. "It seems Alex is not who I thought he was." She remembers Alex trying to grab her hands and stop her, but she proceeded to read out every message as she let her weeping eyes meet his. "He had not one thing to say," she said. "He stalked out of the church with his best man trailing behind him. His family looked on horrified. I love all of you, and as horrible as this is, I'm glad you all are here. There will not be a wedding reception today, but instead there will be a celebration of honesty, finding true love, and following your heart even when it hurts," she concluded. She also added that the remainder of the day was one hell of a party. Would you expose your cheating fiancé at the altar or in a more private setting? Do you think she did the right thing? Let us know in the comments below.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.